how Joe Biden is going wrong. Anybody can have anything for breakfast. Like,
I don't think that's what they said. But you know, what do you think about birds?
Birds? Oh, I think birds aren't real. Birds aren't real.
You do think or do you know?
Birds are actually not real. They are not. That one day, yesterday, I was outside with my mom, and over there,
Fair?
and
Yeah.
and I saw a bird on the line fence thing. That thing dropped something from its mouth. I started thinking, that bird isn't real. Birds aren't real. Birds aren't real, even though I said that bird. Oh. I know
that?
they're not real. Okay.
Okay.
My mom is the janitor right now at this video. So.
Janitor? What just squawked?
And well, I'll only tell you the two types of real birds. One is owl. Two is eagle. That's it. Other birds are fake.
What if it's an owl eagle?
The scientist made
An
it.
eagle owl.
Okay, that's fine too. But Joe Biden did the wrong thing.
Oh, back.
And he and his team made some birds. Birds aren't real. They actually act strange. And baby birds aren't real either. It wouldn't have been in the earth, but somebody created it. You guys should probably guess. And my shirt.
Taco Tuesday.
Yep.
Happy Taco Tuesday.
Oh, can I eat that? Griff, do you want some? Eat some.
Yeah, she's not very happy.
Yeah. Well.
But you're all cozy.
Oh, if you want to see something, make sure that nobody messes up your life again.
Rubber chicken?
Not the rubber chicken, though. That thing is dumb.
No, it's not. It's awesome.
Well, it kind of is, but Earth wouldn't have been this way. Dang it.
What?
And before, when I was leaving...
Did you just say the D word?
No. But
For
birds,
sure.
I saw a bird. It was really acting odd, and plus, it was doing some weird things. I don't know what. Birds carry stuff, and they're actually, you see bird nests. You need to kill them.
What
Well,
are you talking? That's not nice.
well, birds aren't real, so.
Okay. Yeah, we'll just leave it at that.
Well, you can put that bird nest down and give it to the bunny. Or wherever you got it.
All right.
That likes them.
So, end the show.
Podcast.
Podcast?
So,
What?
peace out.
Peace out. Yeah.
Okay, now what does my mom janitor have to say?
I've got nothing to follow up on that. Nothing.
Okay, my turn. Back to me.
Oh.
Not back to Murph.
Oh.
She's dad. Murph.
What do you call this?
Podcast and I
Finale?
also I guess finale, but I believe you probably know right now who's setting this up. Guess. Joe Biden. If you said Joe Biden, good job. And if you didn't, that's okay. But he's a bad president.
You're wearing a lot of pink.
Yeah, because taco. That stands for taco.
Is that a breakfast taco?
Yeah, anybody can have breakfast with tacos. And
And-
plus, they can even have donuts and tacos. Sugar with tacos. It doesn't matter. Oh,
Yeah.
You want to see my socks? Oh,
Oh my god, that's awesome. I didn't notice
but
that.
one thing, bro, is that if you want to see the world. Anybody out there can eat anything.
Yeah.
Like a
Or on the spoon.
popsicle on tacos. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Anybody can do that.
You know what?
Who cares?
You're awesome. I love you.
Don't get lipstick on my finger. Yeah, she's a weirdo. I'm not. But I kind of am. But
Okay, finish it off. Say 6 words.
birds aren't real. Birds aren't real.